I'm Sarge.
I'm Shan, and this is Sarge and Shan Safety Minute.
Today we're going to talk about smoke alarms.
That's right, Sarge, and what we should do when we hear a smoke alarm.
But first, we need to make sure our smoke alarms work properly.
You do that by pressing the test button on the device. You should hear the audible alarm after pressing the button.
Now that you know your smoke alarms work, you need to know what to do when you hear the alert.
Don't hide, go outside.
Don't hide, go outside.
Don't hide, go outside. You should go outside to your meeting place. Don't let smoke sneak up on you.
For more information about safety tips, call Murfreesboro Fire Rescue at 615-893-1422.
Murfreesboro Fire Rescue, where safety is always first.